Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of my screw parts I just got from spin10.com. This is going to be a very amateur video, of course. I've already done a little bit of an unboxing, so it seems like everything is here, but I just want to showcase of what I did get. So I'll be hardly editing this, so I'll just cut the video and I'll start with the first box. First box this is right here, this is the screen. So this is, real quick here, this right here is the VESC screen. Comes with the cables and stuff. So here it is right here. Here's the cables for it. Here, I'm gonna switch the camera. So guys, this right here, oh, my collar's messed up. Should be, let me put the, this is, okay, so this right here, Spin 10 sells it. It's a, just a button, couple buttons, for $5. Horn. Light. Here's the wires for it. I believe this is going to be more wiring. Oh, okay, so this is two parts. So I'll get to the main part right here. This is the Spin Y throttle. I like that. That's actually really freaking smooth. And then the second part to it, if I can get it open. I wish I had a tripod. Man, I wish I got this stuff when I got my camera. Like my actual camera. Let me just use this. I think it could work. Yeah. Alright, so right here is the buttons for the Spin Y throttle. So I ordered the throttle where it just clips in right here. Looks like this. You just screw it on there. It's all metal, made out of all metal. This is a momentary button. This is a locking button. So this will be my power switch. Right here is the big shebang. These are the ubox. Oh, one's ripped. Oh. So these are. Oh, it looks like someone cut them. But so I got two of them. They are the ubox single 100 volt 100, not the light version. So this actually has the if you can see right here, it actually has the 12 volt power. Sorry about that. That was my grandma. She was asking me something. So right here we got the 3-phase wires. These are, I believe, 12 gauge. Same thing with the power XT90. And as I was saying, so you have a fan port. You have 12 volt, and another 12 volt right here. So I can actually have LEDs and the ADC board, which will probably be up next. But I got two of them. I'm not gonna open the second one because it's just the same thing. So we'll put this actually back in the anti-static bag. Because I won't be installing it onto the scooter yet. Not yet. Or the scooter's right here. Onto this bad boy yet. Not quite, but it'll be pretty soon. I did install these little hand guard covers, so that's pretty nice. But I'll probably be doing this maybe next week. Well, let's see what else we got. So controllers, I'll put these back over here. Same thing with this stuff. Where's that box? Here we go. Put the screen and the throttle in this little box right here. this is going to be the ADC port, or ADC board. Nope, this is the fuses. Wow, this is actually a lot different than what they sent in the video, or they sent in the photo. So, here's what the fuses look like. The second one. So these are 120 amps. As you can see, there's two 60 amps. So you see right here, they're 2x 60 amps with a bus bar for the ground. Let me put this back in the static bag. Oh, and my momentary power switch. Nice sound to it. What else? This is... Aha! ADC board. Okay, here we go. So this, with those specific controllers, they will allow me, because it has 12 volt power, it will allow me, I'm not going to take everything out. Here it is right here. So, ADC board. It'll allow me, so the pinout is, this is the ADC1 or ADC1, ADC2. This is the 12 volt input. So you would just connect one of these to right there. This one is, you got the spin Y throttle connector right here. I believe left turn signal, right turn signal. No, yeah, left, right. Left, right. Frick. Maybe reverse switch and this button, which is for single duo. Single duo. This is gonna be a raw video, so there's online documentation on this. So for the wiring, actually, I think it's right here. Oh, right here actually. So, this is what it looks like. So that's the pinout if you need to. Oh, and there's a QR code too, if you guys want to copy that. Okay. But yeah, that's the ADC board. Really small. Actually, I thought it was going to be at least like that big, but it's even smaller than I thought. And it is not sealed on the bottom. So if you're going to put this on something, get piece of foam. So that's what I'll be using, or actually I'll be using like this pad I just put on here, so it won't get shorted out. So put it all back in the bag, because this is all a lot of loose stuff, and I don't want to lose it all. Little tiny wires. It's definitely, when I first got the package, it was well packaged. The one downside about this entire thing is the length of shipping time. So be warned, guys, it is going to take forever, depending on how you live, or depending on where you live. I'm in the U.S., so I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it took about from the 16th of January is when I ordered it. And then to ship, it took like 4 days to actually be packaged and shipped. Actually, no, because they had to custom order the motors. So, it was like 20 plus days. It was almost a month. It happens when you get stuff from China. I'm not too worried about that. I don't care about shipping. I just care about the actual product. So, I will have a more in-depth review of actually when I actually set this up. So, that'll be coming soon. This right here, I think, is just more wiring of the actual, like, for the controllers. Yep. So I got my Hall sensor cables. I did order these separately. So I got these, and oh, the fans. So they sent me free fans. They were about to send me because there was something with the shipping or whatever, and I bought the wrong shipping. So I was like, hey, can I switch it? And they're like, yeah. So the better shipping is actually cheaper, they said. So to get the cheaper shipping instead of the other shipping, which is going to cost more for them for tax and stuff like that. So anyway, I went with the cheaper shipping. So they sent me free fans, heat sinks, and yes, those controllers do come with heat sinks. I'll show you the heat sinks later. But it does come with 40mm fans. Use 40mm. Here, I'll open it. So it comes with 2 of them, or I got them for free. So they gave me these. They might give you one. I don't know. Not too sure. But 40mm fan. This is the model. It looks like it's a 12,000 RPM, maybe. I don't know, but that's the model. Of course, Hall sensor cables. All right. Let's see. So we're almost to the motors. We're almost. I think right here. This is the last part. So right here is the heat sinks. So and more wiring. It looks like this is the actual wiring package that you get with the controllers. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you that later. But here's the heat sinks. Oh, let me grab that controller out too. But anyway, no. So here's the heat sink. It's a little small heat sink. It's really small. I'm probably gonna use it. I'm gonna use it because I won't have nothing else. Comes with a thermal pad, and comes with little screws and a washer. Actually, I did not get the screws unless I put all the screws in one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So they put all the screws in one heatsink bag. And then there's little itty bitty washers. I don't know if you can see those, but I don't want to lose them. So little itty bitty washers. Oh. This right here is just some of the stuff. So it looks like this actually might be the power button I bought. Another power button. And then right here is the Bluetooth module. Really small, but it's just not really special. It's just a little red Bluetooth module. And then I guess they gave me one of these. I don't need one of these. I'm pretty sure it's like a parallel adapter. You put 2 batteries in and it gets you 1. Oh, no, you put 1 battery in and it gets you 2 out. Yeah, because that's a female end. So you just put battery in and it gets you 2 out. So, okay, that's cool. Don't need that, but that's awesome they give you that. That's pretty cool. Give you extra stuff. Rather than, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Oh wow, I got like 3 power buttons. So here's this one. This is a momentary switch. And then this is the latching. But yeah, this is definitely the cables to the actual controller. Bye, Mama D, love you. What are you doing? Alright, we're back. Oh, here's the big shebang, guys. Here is the big shebang. Right here. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh me, oh my. So these are the 70H 33x2s with the 180 degree cable positioning or whatever with the big thick cables. So this one I've already opened slightly, so let me grab that one out. They're pretty heavy and they're pretty big. So here, I'll take the one that I didn't open actually. It's easy to take out. It's already looks like a companion shoe. Let's open this sucker. These things are on there good. Hold on. There we go. Oh, you guys can't see that. Oh, la, 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 la. Here we go. Woo! What's really cool is it actually comes with brake rotor like extension adapters. So if you need to move it farther, farther away, or have none to keep it closer, you got it. That's actually really sick. So here is the 6.5 inch rim, 11 inch motor, 70H. So this is one of the higher performance models. You can get like an 80H, a 75H, the 130H. But for my specific scooter and the size, the 70H is the one that would fit. And there is some definitely, this is the new one that I just opened. And there's already some cable damage, so let me show you guys that. So that's not so good. What's actually really cool is that it is like insulated, but with rubber. Honestly, I'd rather prefer just having that, but I guess not. Oh well. It's whatever. It's just rubber. And this is the actual what it looks like. So this is gonna be really weird to splice, because that's some thick copper. I'm definitely gonna put lugs on them. So I'll show you in a second. Let me pause real quick. So I'll be attaching the motor with these. So I have lugs, I think, somewhere. I can't find them. But here's the actual piece right here. I forgot where I got these. I think I got these off of Amazon. But, just put the phase wires like this. Bang, bang, boom. And then your hull, which is nice. So it's just standard. Red and black is your 5-volt. Don't cross those. Your white is a temp sensor. So this actually has a temperature sensor. So I can actually see the temperature of the motors. That is really freaking cool. And also these are split rim. What the heck is that? Is that a piece of zip tie in there? So these are split rim, but they're split rim tubed. So I need to get inner tubes. They're not tubeless. You see, if it's tubeless, you would actually have a little valve in here. But they're tubed. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so it actually has a temperature sensor. Red and black is your minus and positive 5-volt, and then all you have is yellow, green, blue, which is your corresponding yellow, green, blue. So Hall 1, 2, 3, phase 1, 2, 3, or ABC or UVW. So that concludes my my unboxing. So that's just one motor. They're pretty freaking heavy, not gonna lie. But it is very solid. Like, it is a fly. It is a solid motor. So I'll leave the second one semi in its packaging. Almost dropped it. Okay. There goes that. Don't want to lose those. Yeah, here's the second one right here. Let's put these on it just so it stays. But yeah, there's the second one. Just the same. Same wiring. They're 70H. They said this is 180 degrees. I don't know what they mean by that. I think they mean 180 degrees from the stator. So, whatever that means. But yeah, they're 7 AWG. 7 gauge. It should say on here. So, does it say? No. But they're 7 AWG. 7 AUG. But that is it. That is the review. All the rest of the stuff is right here. Oh, and a little bit for the controllers. If you can see on the controller, you see those 4 holes? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the heat sinks are gonna sit, right there. I do have more heat sinks. I'm gonna put on the outside of them, like that. And then the fan, I'm probably just gonna have it stand up and then just blow air across the controller. So yeah. That is it, guys. You guys have an awesome one. Stay safe out there. Goodbye.